Here is a beginner-level data analyst quiz based on business and domain knowledge, communication and storytelling with data, and automation and scripting. Let's go. 1. Why is business domain knowledge important for a data analyst? A. To design databases. B. To create machine learning models. C. To provide relevant insights that align with business goals. And D. To replace the need for SQL queries. The answer is to provide relevant insights that align with business goals. 2. Which industry commonly uses data analytics to detect fraudulent activities? A. Retail, B. Finance, C. Education, and D. Tourism. The answer is finance. 3. Which key metric is most relevant for an e-commerce business? A. Net profit margin, B. Customer churn rate, C. Conversion rate, and D. Code execution speed. The answer is conversion rate. 4. Which of the following is an example of customer segmentation in marketing analytics? A. Identifying groups of customers based on age and purchase history. B. Creating a pie chart of monthly sales. C. Merging two datasets using SQL. And D. Replacing null values in data. The answer is identifying groups of customers based on age and purchase history. 5. What does KPI stand for in business analytics? A. Key process integration. B. Knowledge processing index. C. Key performance indicator. And D. Known predictive insights. The answer is Key Performance Indicator. 6. What is the main objective of Customer Lifetime Value (CLV) analysis? A. To identify seasonal sales trends. B. To predict the total revenue a business can expect from a single customer. C. To calculate daily expenses. And D. To replace traditional accounting methods. The answer is to predict the total revenue a business can expect from a single customer. 7. Which of the following is a major challenge in healthcare analytics? A. Storing small amounts of data. B. Managing sensitive patient data and ensuring compliance with regulations. C. Running social media campaigns. And D. Writing SQL queries faster. The answer is managing sensitive patient data and ensuring compliance with regulations. 8. What is the key purpose of data storytelling? A. To write SQL queries. B. To use graphs instead of numbers. C. To help stakeholders understand data-driven insights in an engaging way. And D. To remove missing data. The answer is to help stakeholders understand data-driven insights in an engaging way. 9. Which of the following is the best way to present insights to non-technical stakeholders? A. Complex statistical reports. B. A dashboard with clear visualizations and key takeaways. C. A detailed database schema. And D. Writing Python scripts. The answer is A dashboard with clear visualizations and key takeaways. 10. What type of chart is best for showing relationships between two numerical variables? A. Bar chart, B. Pie chart, C. Scatterplot, and D. Gantt chart. The answer is scatterplot. The answer is scatterplot. Congratulations on completing the first set of 10 questions. Let's move ahead. 11. Which visualization tool is commonly used for interactive dashboards? A. SQL, B. Tableau, C. Notepad, and D. Python NumPy. The answer is Tableau. 12. Why is it important to know your audience when presenting data? A. To tailor insights in a way that is relevant and easy to understand. B. To include complex statistical explanations. C. To create longer presentations. And D. To include more technical terms. The answer is to tailor insights in a way that is relevant and easy to understand. 13. Which storytelling element makes data insights more compelling? A. Using advanced mathematical equations. B. Adding context and real-world relevance. C. Increasing the number of tables. And D. Using only raw numbers. The answer is adding context and real-world relevance. 14. Which of the following is an important aspect of an effective data visualization? A. Using multiple colors without meaning. B. Displaying all raw data. C. Including as much text as possible. And D. Keeping it simple and easy to interpret. The answer is keeping it simple and easy to interpret. 15. Which programming language is widely used for data automation? A. JavaScript, B. Python, C. HTML, and D. CSS. The answer is Python. 16. What is the purpose of automation in data analysis? A. To eliminate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. B. To manually enter data faster. C. To replace human decision-making entirely. And D. To remove all need for business knowledge. The answer is to eliminate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. 17. Which Python library is commonly used for automating data manipulation? A. Seaborn, B. Pandas, C. Matplotlib, and D. Power BI. The answer is Pandas. 18. What is a common use case for scripting in data analysis? A. Manually updating spreadsheets. B. Changing colors in PowerPoint slides. C. Automating data cleaning and pre-processing. And D. Writing detailed research reports. The answer is automating data cleaning and pre-processing. 19. Which of the following is a benefit of using SQL scripts for automation? A. Faster and more consistent data processing. B. Creating complex spreadsheets manually. C. Reducing storage space on a computer. And D. Eliminating the need for databases. Faster and more consistent data processing. 20. What is the role of APIs in data automation? A. To manually enter data into a system. B. To allow automated data retrieval and integration. C. To create SQL databases. And D. To design websites. The answer is to allow automated data retrieval and integration. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.